Hey guys, welcome back to the HSM Abilene Weekly Show. We are glad you are here joining us. I'm Javier.
I'm also Javier.
And I'm Jesse.
Well, we're going to be talking about a few things this week, and here we go. Let's get it started. So I'm going to turn it over right now to Javier Alcorta. Here he is. Take it away, Javier.
Hi guys, and what we want to talk about first is your FHA loan limits. There's been a lot of talk about where they're going and what our limit's going to be. Through the end of the year in Taylor County, you're still looking at $271,050, so $271,050 is going to be your FHA loan limit for your primary residency. The other thing we want to talk about that there's been concern about is your flood insurance for homes that are in flood zones. We are looking at being able to issue flood insurance policies through the month of October. They're pretty much telling us that it's going to be month to month, so there's nothing catastrophic as far as worrying about not being able to get flood insurance through the end of the year. So we should be fine. Just keep in mind that they're going to be renewing those at the end of each month through the end of the year. And then realtors be aware that in 2012 January, the new flood zone maps are coming out for Taylor County. So that's enough about the flood zones, and let's talk about USDA real quick. We're getting to that time of the year where the USDA funds are needing to be replenished. We're waiting on Congress to pass the legislation to get our limits back up, our coffers full again. So we are waiting on that. We're not, at this point in time, we're not stopping accepting USDA loans, but we can still get approvals. We just have to wait on the funding part of the funding aspect of the USDA loans. So for this week, that's it, and we'll see you next week. Thanks.
Hi, on September the 21st, we released some information that according to the VA Circular 26-11-12, that the VA funding fee would be lowered on all loans closing on or after October 1st of this year. That was accurate information, and still is. The only problem is that, as we learned on Sesame Street, whenever the bill goes to Capitol Hill, it also has to be signed by the President. And we're still waiting for that to take effect. So until such time as we're advised that the President has actually signed this bill, we're going to have to disclose all loans with the current VA funding fee of 2.15% for first-time users. But we will let you know as soon as we are able to disclose the new and lowered rate, which will be taking place soon. Thank you.
And that pretty much wraps up our show for this week, guys. I'm Javier.
And I'm Javier.
And I'm Jesse.
Meet us same time, same place next week, and we're keeping it real for the realtors.